Alright everybody, Mr. B here again. If you are clicking on this video, it is because you wanted to know a little bit more about deep ocean trenches and the process that causes them, called subduction. So you've probably already watched the one video where I just went over everything seafloor spreading related. Now it is time to talk about specifically trenches and the subduction process that causes those trenches. So really, the whole thing that drives this is these convection currents that happen underneath the ocean. So we remember talking about this, but we have convection currents that are going, and that is forcing this molten material up here at the mid-ocean ridge. But we're not talking about the mid-ocean ridge other than the fact that we know that the mid-ocean ridge is where we have seafloor spreading, and seafloor spreading is going to push this plate over in this direction. So it's going to start at the ridge and it's going to be pushed over by where this word trench is. Now before there's a trench there, we've essentially got where one plate is colliding with another plate. Now what happens when the two plates come together is that subduction occurs. We have one that's oceanic plate, we have one continental or land plate, and because the oceanic plate is what we would consider to be more dense, it subducts. It goes underneath of the continental plate. As it goes underneath, it digs a hole, it drags the other plate down with it, and it digs a hole that we call a trench. So all along the continents, and I'm going to see right about here, we should see some good ones. So if you were to actually, if we were to get pretty close, you would be able to see all along this area where you've got the ocean plate running into the continental plate. You can see that we have a lot of deep trenches over in this area, because that's where a lot of subduction happens. That's where a lot of the oceanic plate is going underneath of the continental plate, and so we get these deep, deep trenches. Some of the trenches are so deep that Mount Everest can fit in. Another really cool example is the Puerto Rico Trench. So if you've ever been to the Turks and Caicos, you have probably seen this Puerto Rico Trench. If you swim out in here, it's shallow, maybe 25 feet deep. But then the second you get out over that trench, it drops off. And I'm not kidding, I have swam over it. It is extremely, extremely deep. It really does drop off. That is a trench formed by the fact that you have two plates coming together and one is subducting underneath of it. So again, let's just review this. You have trenches that are really, really deep parts of the ocean. Again, Mount Everest can fit into some of them. But this trench is formed by this process called subduction, in which one plate goes underneath of the other one. Alright, if you still are confused by this, if you still need help, let one of your teachers know. We are here to help you.